Hello, my friends. Welcome back. No, this is not an apple, it's an orange. I need to peel it first, but first I want to show you a game. It's called Orange You Grateful. So it is always important for us to show gratitude for the things that we appreciate, and sometimes we forget to do that. So this is a fun way to remember. Go ahead and gather everybody in your family, maybe after dinner or before going to bed. You're going to sit in a circle and you're going to pass an orange around, and you have to start by saying, "Orange you grateful for," and then say something that you're grateful for. Then with your feet, pass it to the person to your right. Go ahead and continue until everybody has had a turn sharing what they are grateful for. So we're gonna go ahead and show you an example of how to play this game. You guys ready?
Yeah.
All right, here we go. All right. Aren't you grateful that we have had technology to help us stay connected to teachers and friends during this time?
Aren't you grateful that we have family and friends to go to, and we have a school that we can be educated and learn, and we have a church?
Aren't you grateful that we're healthy and strong?
Aren't you grateful for all your church friends? And next I would pass it to you. I hope you have fun playing this game, and we'll see you tomorrow for a brand new video. Bye.
Bye.